When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I'll hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving break. We are here with a new declutter video, but we are focusing on the kitchen today. I did get some new containers for my pantry, and the fridge needed to be cleaned up since we were gone for a whole week. The pantry was bothering me, so I'm excited to create a new system and keep that organized. Everything that I used in this video will be linked down below except for the gray bins. I found those at the dollar store. I believe it was like months ago. So hopefully something similar shouldn't be so hard to find out there. Like always, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you can be notified when I upload a new video, and let's get into it.
When your heart is racing at the speed of light.
So I forgot to mention this because I was editing the video, but I totally forgot that you guys can see my arm. I did have to get stitches, so sorry if it looks kind of gross. It is what it is. Had to get them. But for the pantry reset, I did get these containers at Walmart, mostly putting snacks, chips, crackers, noodles, macaroni, pan, spaghetti, the majority of the stuff that I had in the pantry. I thought that would look really nice for the containers. And then for the gray bins, just miscellaneous stuff like snacks, granola bars, I don't know, macaroni in a cup. We do have a lot of breakfast stuff as well, so pancake mix, syrup, muffin mix. So just kind of giving everything kind of a place and just playing around with it, see what I like, see what I don't like, what you'll see throughout the video, but just trying to get it as much, I guess, a better system than what I did have before. Just everything thrown in the back of the pantry and forgetting about it, and then it eventually gets old. So we're going to continue on here, but just kind of wanted to give you kind of my thought process on how I wanted to play around with it. At the end of it, I think it came out so nice and so like so much serotonin. I love it. And yeah, let's get into it.
watching you.